What's up, ladies and gentlemen? My brother called me and he needs the hookup on a motherboard, and this is one of the ones I was decommissioning. It's got one of the old 8x PLX splitters. This little PLX chip gets hot, so not all 8 of these will work, but if you have some active airflow near this, 6 of them will work, sometimes 5. But he only has 1 or 2 cards he has to run, so I told him, hey, you can run like 3 off the motherboard and you only have to use that. But regardless, I hooked him up on it, got him a little SSD so he can put Hive on there, and a little 500 water, because I am going away from all of my ATX style motherboard builds for mining rigs. So this rig for me was really unstable, because this PLX splitter card was constantly dropping cards. I'd have to restart it because that thing was getting hot. Even I had an airflow, a fan there, and I had 8 cards plugged into it, and I was always having problems. So I took it down to 5 cards. Never had any issues. Tried to add a 6th card, and that's when I ran into issues. So yeah, Peyton, you keep it to a few cards and you'll have no issues. And yeah, I figured maybe you guys would like to see what he's gonna put together. So I'm curious too. He said he bought some more cards. He's starting to get back into the expanding mode, so that's always exciting. But yeah, let's get it, dude. All right, so we're here. Peyton got the old motherboard.
Hey,
I haven't told him the price yet. Also brought him some scrap wood pickets and stuff that I have, and he's going to make a rig frame.
Yep.
But he said he's not cutting anything.
Nope.
Oh, I guess they are all similar measurements.
I've cut. Yeah, a lot of them are similar cut.
This is leftover. He helped me make a baby gate for my camper. Thank you, Peyton, by the way.
You're very welcome.
Is this your payment?
This is my payment.
All right, fair enough.
About to make this simple too. Quick, simple, fast, in and out, in and out. God, there's gonna be so many people in the comments.
Why? Yeah, you're doing it legit right now.
Probably. I mean, probably a better way to do it, but.
You need me to help you?
No.
I can set the camera up.
Could you?
Yeah, hold on. I brought my tripod.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. Yeah, hold on. Bear with me, guys.
I'm gonna put one through the middle. I'm gonna raise it, mount it, put one there, raise it, mount it. I'm probably gonna put 1, 2, 3. I'm probably gonna do 1, 2, 3. Yeah, and then I'll be able to mount it all on it. I'm gonna have a mount the motherboard to the wood. This time. Oh yeah, I can zip that around it. You like to zip that around? Little zip that. Yeah, that works. I like it. Actually, hold on, I might have. Are you videoing? Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a little self-capsule work too. Really? Yeah, because they don't bite into the motherboard, so they're bite into the wood. I'm gonna get carry stuff to that. I'm not beating enough. You done? Don't be able to do it, huh? No, it's fine. They're not be going to the top. You like it? Everyone? Turn the air pressure up on the back. Oh, I see blood on it. You hurt? Oh, yeah. That one made it like at least like that. It's not funny, but it hurt. It hurt. It's okay. Dude, it's not worse than, oh no, we're getting blood on it. The little fuckers on my nose and now watch your finger, man! Are you good? You can set the camera a wound. There's only times 2 set it. He just took a nail to the finger. If you talk slow, it'll sound like it's on the speaker. He took a nail to the finger. Dude, why are you talking like that? You have to cut one? I might have to cut these. Yeah. Me too. Just get it. I guess to give it more elevation. Keeps it off the bottom one. Do like one there. Do like one there. Do like one there. Oh my god, I'm bleeding so bad. Look at the wood. Oh, look at that.
All right, guys, so we slapped her together. He only has one riser right now, but that's fine because he only has one card. This is powered off of SATA, so that's a big no-no, Peyton.
Yeah, I know.
But he is running a 1660 Super on that, so it's pretty low power card. It should be okay.
Should be.
Should be. But I kind of like this setup. This is gonna be an issue though whenever you get to these cards.
Yeah.
Actually, I mean, you might be able to do it like that.
Or like
Maybe over, under.
know.
I have some longer extension cables.
I have some longer ones
but
too.
so this will be able to be like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then the cards hang off the back. Yeah, that's pretty.
I think it'll work.
I mean, you ain't gonna be able to hang on it, but it'll definitely work. Oh, you're gonna need more power supply.
Oh yeah, I know.
You got a bigger power supply to change out for later on?
Yeah.
Okay. At 500, you can get away with like 2 or 3 little cards.
Well, honestly, I'll probably just use this to power like the motherboard and one card or 2 cards, and then I'll probably just go ahead and get a server power supply, and I'll just use that to power.
Or like shove it up underneath here, like right here, hang it, hanging off the side.
Breakout board hanging there.
Yeah, this is just fence pickets, by the way. So
leftover fence pickets.
yeah,
It works though.
absolutely. Oh, what I did with the power button is I would like tie it or like loop it around the front. You know what I mean?
That's the back, Brandon.
Oh, is this the back?
That's where my power cords are going. Right.
Oh, this is the front. That's the
really
front.
know.
Which side's?
I don't really know. I didn't. Okay,
Here,
I'll
hold
be
this,
honest
hold
with you. I didn't go that math. Like
See?
I didn't math it that hard.
With my little power wires, I'll go like this. See, put a little on it, and then you can be like,
Bam.
wham, bam.
That's how the money happens. All right. So yeah, I think it's pretty good.
All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Are you gonna get this running right now?
I don't know if I have a USB. I might. Might have to go. to my room.
Okay, if the video keeps going after this, then he found a USB. If it
Yeah.
doesn't, it was nice talking to y'all. We'll see y'all next one.
Ready? Woo, it works.
Now you got room for more cards.
Yeah, but
Llama Llama Red Pajama.
do
All
it.
right. Deuces.